I didn't prepare to shoot this video. Events coincided so that in the pre-Christmas days my first craft broke. Well, it worked for almost 3 years without shutdowns. I decided not to repair, but to remake it on a breadboard instead of surface mounted. A short description of this craft. This is a temperature and humidity sensor that runs on ESP8266 from 218,650 cells and is recharged by a solar panel. The first DHT11 sensor is located in the case and shows how hot, cold and damp it is inside the case. The second DHT22 sensor is located outside and collects weather data. Additionally, ESP8266 measures battery voltage. All data is sent to the MQTT server. First, open the case of the old sensor and replace Node MCU with D1 Minithink. Node MCU is useful for more complex projects. We will also remove all the necessary modules. A charge-discharge controller, a 3.3 volt stabilizer, voltage divider resistors for the correct operation of the ADC. There is a small inconsistency on the video. Initially I mixed up the sensors in places, but that didn't stop me from checking that both sensors were working. After completing all installation work, it is necessary to calibrate the voltage measurement channel. I made a table with the actual battery voltage and measured values in the range from 3 volts to 4.2 volts. After that, I compiled a formula and selected calibration coefficients for the correct measurement of the voltage on the battery. Finally, it remains to assemble the sensor and charge it. Now you can see the final result. It is a working weather sensor with solar supply. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in such content, do not forget to subscribe.